All right, so a few things that might be really helpful for you in this class. So I really want you to be sharing resources and finding resources on your own, and I just wanted to make sure that you all have the tools in Canvas to be able to share things really more seamlessly. So let's say that you were writing a discussion post and somebody's talking about prompts and maybe doing prompts for students, and somebody says, oh, Poets and Writers is a great resource for prompts. So you could just type that, and then you could go to Poets and Writers where they have prompts, copy, Control C, that URL, and then just go right back to Canvas, and where it says link, Control V, and put it right there. And it will come in. Sometimes it makes this weird space, so I just go in and change it. And so then that live link is there. If sometimes it's nice to just write link after it, because it's that pale blue not everybody can see. But when you move your cursor over it, it does underline. So that's nice about that. Now, if you want to embed something that's on YouTube, either your YouTube account or an author maybe talking, maybe somebody reading a poem, maybe a teacher talking about their experience, for example. So any of those things, you can go right to this plugin, and then there's YouTube. I'm just going to type myself in. And so you could get the grammar presentation here and example, and we could just embed that right there, and it'll be right in our class now. Sometimes it can make the text around that look kind of funny, so then you can just play with that a little bit as well. So the other thing that can be helpful to know how to do is how to make a video right in Canvas. So maybe you don't want to put something on YouTube, maybe you just want to make it right in class. And so you can either, or you want to do it on your phone or something else. So you could drag a file directly to class from your computer. So if you have it stored on your desktop, you can do it there. Or what I do for most of my videos for class is I just record right into this. So if you, for example, wanted to do just yourself talking with maybe a poster board or something like that for a project, you could do that. And you just click record here, and it shows you what you look like, and you can play with your lighting and stuff like that. You can see, I won't spend a ton of time working on that. But you click record, and then when you click start recording, it gives you a nice countdown so that you can make sure you're looking at the camera. I have two screens, so sometimes I'm looking over here, but this is where the camera is. And then when you're done, you click finish. If you want you start over, you can. You have to deal with the fact that sometimes you don't love the freeze frame it gives you, but that's fine. You can click save media, or you could cancel it and start over, and then it will just embed it right into the page, right like that. And that's the easiest way, I think, to add video to a Canvas page. And you can just delete it like that if you don't want it there anymore. So the final thing I want to show you is just how to add an image. So you can click upload image. Again, you can just drag them right into here, or click here and find them on your page. So I'm going to add Bloom's taxonomy to our class here. Click submit. I don't have any control when I put it in on the size, but if I don't want it this big, I can click on this and say image options, and then I can do, say, medium. I'll make it a little smaller than it is now. Right? And then if I decide we can't read that, then maybe I would change the size again. And then the final thing, let's see, that I want to say with images too, is that you can upload from a URL. So you'll notice that I like to use Giphy sometimes. So if I go to my writing GIFs and I'm like, oh, I like this one today, this is funny, click share, copy GIF link, it goes automatically to your computer. You just Control V the URL and click submit, and then it puts that GIF right into the page. So those are sort of the basics, and maybe you already knew those, but for those of you who didn't, hopefully those tricks help. And please let me know if you have questions. Reach out to me by email or set up an appointment, and I hope that helps. All right, take care. Bye.